Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but essential skill, how to create a watermark in Canva. Whether you want to protect your designs from being copied or reinforce your brand, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. Stick around till the end because I'll also share tips on making your watermark look professional without distracting from your content. Open Canva and add your text. First, open Canva and either start a new design or select an existing one you want to watermark. On the left-hand toolbar, click Text and then add a text box. Here, type your watermark. This could be your name, brand, or even a logo. This is the foundation of your watermark, so choose something simple and recognizable, resize and position. Next, let's make sure it looks just right. Click the text box and use the resizing handles to adjust the size. You want your watermark to be visible but not overpowering. Position it in a spot that works well across your design. Corners usually work best. You can also add a subtle highlight so your text stands out on different backgrounds. Adjust transparency. Now for the magic touch, transparency. Click the opacity icon in the top right toolbar and adjust it to somewhere between 20% and 50%. This creates a watermark that's noticeable yet unobtrusive, keeping your design clean while protecting your work. Don't be afraid to fine-tune the opacity until it feels just right. Finalize your watermark. Once you're happy with the size, placement, and transparency, your watermark is ready to go. Make sure to use it consistently across all your designs. This not only protects your creative work, but also reinforces your brand identity. And that's it. You now know how to create a professional looking watermark in Canva that protects your content and strengthens your brand. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future design tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.